Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Muirkirk, Ontario. This small village is located in the municipality of Chatham-Kent in southwestern Ontario. Muirkirk is situated along Talbot Trail, also known as Highway 3, which is a historic route that runs parallel to the northern shore of Lake Erie. This scenic roadway has historical significance, as it was one of the earliest routes used by settlers traveling through Upper Canada. The village's name reflects the Scottish heritage of many early settlers in the area. Muirkirk was once a stop along the Canada Southern Railway, which played a crucial role in the transportation of goods and passengers across southern Ontario in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Although the railway is no longer operational, its historical presence contributed to the development of the village.
Thank you very much.
Today, Muirkirk is characterized by its rural charm and agricultural surroundings. The area is predominantly farmland, with crops such as corn, soybeans, and wheat being commonly cultivated. The village's serene environment makes it an ideal place for those seeking a quiet, country lifestyle. For nature enthusiasts, Muirkirk's proximity to Lake Erie offers opportunities for outdoor activities. The lake's shoreline is just a short drive away, providing access to beaches, fishing spots, and boating opportunities. Additionally, the nearby Rondo Provincial Park is a popular destination for birdwatching, hiking, and camping. In summary, Muirkirk, Ontario is a quaint village with a rich history and a strong connection to its agricultural roots. Its peaceful atmosphere and proximity to natural attractions make it a charming place to visit or call home.
Thanks for watching!